In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add LinkedIn to Microsoft Authenticator. Strengthening your account with two-factor authentication adds a second layer of protection, so even if someone gets your password, they can't get in without a time-based code from your phone. I'll guide you through where to start this setup inside LinkedIn so you can connect it with Microsoft Authenticator quickly and confidently. Begin on the LinkedIn homepage while you're signed in. If you're not already on your feed, click Home at the top to land on the main dashboard. From there, look to the top navigation bar and select Me, which is the menu under your profile photo. In that dropdown, choose Settings and Privacy. This opens your account settings in a new view with sections listed along the left. Next, click Sign In and Security. This is where LinkedIn centralizes access-related options like passwords, devices, and most importantly for us, two-factor authentication. In that section, find and click two-factor authentication. A quick note for context. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, uses something you know, your password, and something you have, like a code generated by an Authenticator app, to verify it's really you. It's one of the simplest ways to seriously boost your security. On the two-factor page, click the option that says Secure your LinkedIn account with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and then select Set up your two-factor authentication. This starts LinkedIn's guided setup. From here, LinkedIn will walk you through the pairing process with your Authenticator app, and you'll see clear on-screen instructions. Follow what's shown to connect Microsoft Authenticator on your phone to your LinkedIn account. The flow usually involves displaying a QR code or a setup key on LinkedIn and then using your app to add LinkedIn as a new account so it can generate time-based verification codes for you. A few quick tips as you complete the setup. Keep your phone handy and unlocked so you can move smoothly between your browser and the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you don't immediately see two-factor authentication in settings, use the settings search bar and type two-factor to jump right to it. After you finish, LinkedIn may provide backup codes. Store those somewhere secure so you can sign in if you ever lose your phone. And if your workplace manages your device, be aware that some settings may be controlled by your organization. That's it. You've navigated to the right place in LinkedIn, started the two-factor setup, and you're ready to secure your sign-ins with Microsoft Authenticator. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical security and productivity tutorials.